Hey everyone! I'm Max the Matchstick, and today I'll be your tiny C++ teacher. We're going to learn the basics of C++ code, and I'll show you live what happens on my laptop, and I'll react to the output too. First things first, what is C++? It's used in game engines, desktop apps, systems programming, and a lot more. But don't worry, we're starting from the basics, with just one simple program. Let's start from the top. This line. This is a preprocessor directive. It tells the compiler to include the iostream library, which lets us print stuff to the screen using coot. The second line is just saying, hey, I don't want to write std, coot each time, I'll just write coot. It's convenient for beginners, and totally fine for our first program. So this line basically says, send the text hello world to the output screen. Finally, return 0 tells the operating system, program ran successfully, everything is okay. Look, our program just printed hello world. That's the output of our C++ code.